Here we will write a program to display multiplication of even numbers from 1 to n, where value of n is given by the user. So first in comment line we will write, first we will accept the value of n from the user. So n equal to int input, enter nth term. Here we are going to use while loop. So we will define one integer variable I, which is initialized with 1, and another variable for storing the multiplication, which is also initialized with 1. Then we will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to n, we will check value of I is even or not. For this we will use if statement. So if I mod 2 equal to 0, we will multiply value of I to multiplication variable. So multiplication equal to multiplication into I, and outside the if we will increase I. So I equal to I plus 1, and outside the while loop we will print the multiplication. So print multiplication of even numbers, and we will print multiplication variable, and we execute it. I will give nth term as 5. It will print multiplication of even number as 8. We can print the numbers. We can print the even numbers from 1 to n. So before while loop we will print the message even numbers from 1 to, we will print n, and inside the if statement we will print I, and we execute. I will give 5. It will print even numbers from 1 to 5 as 2 and 4, and multiplication of even number is 2 into 4, 8.